And joining me live from the WION newsroom is Adhya Juneja, who will break down the big business stories shaping your money and the economy. We also have Nikita Singh, who will give us all the updates from the world of technology. And we also have Vidur Kathuria, who will take us through all the action from the world of sports. We begin first up with Adhya for all the business updates.
Well, thank you, Samiksha. From Asian stocks rising on easing Fed rate bets to shipping through the Strait of Hormuz slowing sharply, and German companies cutting investment in the United States. Well, here are the key global business stories shaping markets today. Now, starting with markets, now Asian stocks edged higher, led by Chinese shares as investors pulled back expectations of an imminent US Fed rate hike. The MSCI Asia Pacific Index, excluding Japan, rose 0.5%, while Japan's Nikkei gained 0.3%. Now, Chinese blue chips rose 0.8% and Hong Kong's Hang Seng gained 1.6%. Markets are now pricing just a 30% chance of a Fed rate hike next month, down from about 50% a week ago, while investors are also watching oil prices very closely as the Iran conflict continues. Next up, shipping through the Strait of Hormuz has slowed down very sharply after attacks on tankers and a stalemate in US-Iran talks. Just 5 commodity vessels crossed the strait on Saturday and none were tracked on Sunday, compared to 31 vessels during the previous weekend. Now, before the war, more than 130 ships a day crossed the waterway, which previously handled around a fifth of global crude oil and LNG shipments. Now, the disruption is keeping global energy markets on edge. And finally, German companies have slashed direct investment in the United States to its lowest level in 3 years. Investment fell nearly two-thirds year-on-year in the first half of 2026 to just 4.3 billion euros or around $5 billion. Now, that is nearly 80% below the level recorded in the first half of 2024. The German Economic Institute says uncertainty over US trade and tariff policies is making companies more cautious about committing new capital, even as existing German firms continue to reinvest profits in the US market. And that is it in business. Now, for all the tech updates, it's over to you, Nikita.
Thanks so much, Adhya. First up, Alibaba's open-weight AI models have crossed 3 billion global downloads in the past 6 months, making WION the world's most downloaded open AI model, according to data from Hugging Face. Alibaba says it has open-sourced more than 460 WION models, with the ecosystem generating over 3 lakh derivative models. By comparison, Google's models recorded about 418 million downloads, while Meta's models had 227 million downloads in 2026. Next up, Chief Justice of India Suryakant has urged national law universities to take the lead in shaping how technology transforms the legal system. Addressing a Vice-Chancellor's conclave in Jodhpur, the CJI said the legal profession can no longer remain a late adopter of technology. He opposed a complete ban on generative AI tools in legal education, saying students should instead be taught to use AI responsibly and verify its outputs. The CJI said AI is already transforming contract drafting, due diligence, legal research, and dispute resolution. He also warned that over-reliance on AI and failure to check its accuracy remain key risks. And finally, Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei has said that powerful AI could help humans cure more diseases within the next 5 to 10 years. Amodei says that AI could accelerate biological discoveries by 10 times, potentially compressing 50 to 100 years of biological progress into just 5 to 10 years. He also said that AI could go beyond analyzing medical data and help perform direct and improve much of the work done by biologists. Well, that's it from the world of tech. Now, my colleague Vidur will be taking you through some sports updates across the globe. Over to you, Vidur.
Well, thank you so much, Nikita. First up in the world of sport, Arsenal have delivered a statement ahead of the new Premier League season by beating Manchester City 3-0 in the Community Shield. The Premier League champions dominated the match at the Millennium Stadium in Cardiff. The Gunners side took the lead after just 24 seconds through Riccardo Calafiori before Kai Havertz doubled the advantage. Captain Martin Odegaard sealed it early in the second half. It's a tough start for new City boss Enzo Maresca, who admitted after the match that City need several new signings. Now, interestingly, just one team has won the Premier League title after winning the Community Shield in the past 15 years. Cristiano Ronaldo says this season could be his last as a professional footballer. The 41-year-old, who married longtime partner Georgina Rodriguez this week, told Vogue he wants to leave a spectacular legacy before focusing on his family life. A 5-time Ballon d'Or winner and Champions League winner as well, Ronaldo has lifted league titles in England, Spain, Italy and Saudi Arabia and remains football's all-time leading international goal scorer. The Portugal captain is in his 4th season at Al Nassr with 1 year left on his contract. Ronaldo is just 24 goals away from scoring 1,000 senior career goals. And finally, the Badminton World Championships are officially underway in New Delhi. Indian star PV Sindhu opens her campaign at the Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium. She faces Ireland's Sophia Noble in the first round. Now, this is Sindhu's first World Championship at home, and she is chasing a record 6th World Championship medal 7 years after she won the gold. Now, Sindhu remains India's only badminton world champion across both men and women's categories. Now, that's it for now from the world of sport. It's back to you, Samiksha.
All right, Vidur, thank you for that, and thanks to Adhya and Nikita also for getting us all those updates.